What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing and quick review here on my channel. Today I have the Corsair Harpoon RGB wireless mouse, and let's have a look at that right after the intro. Alright, so the Corsair mouse. I got this mouse because I was looking for a smaller form factor mouse. I don't really like the big gaming mouses. I reviewed one here on my channel. I will leave a link to that. And so I was getting this, and it's a 2.4 gigahertz slipstream wireless Bluetooth mouse. You can also use it wired with the with the USB cable, and it's only 99 grams, 10,000 TPI optical sensor, and a dynamic RGB light in it. I would say we open this box up. And see what's inside. Alright, so we have a USB cable. Let's pull everything out, put the box aside. It's nice packing, so yeah. We have manual, don't need this for now, put it aside as well. So we have the mouse right here. And as you can see, it's already connected to the USB cable. It's a mesh cable. Looks quite nice, looks like good quality. The USB plug itself also looks quite nice. So we have some plastic on here, remove this. Some plastic on here, we can remove this. Let's have a look around. So yeah, you can see, should be able to unplug this somehow, I guess. Yes. You can see we have a micro USB here to a regular USB, and as I said, it's a meshed cable. Yeah, pretty nice. Put that aside for now, and let's have a look at the mouse itself. So we have this button here, we have the classic wheel, feels quite nice, quite solid, and we have two buttons over here, and of course the left and right mouse button as well. So down here I guess we have the Bluetooth USB plug, so we will put that in our PC, and if you want to transport the mouse somewhere, you can put it in here. And here we can see it's either off Bluetooth, and then there's this 2.4 gigahertz mode as well. And yeah, it looks like it's not, oh, it's working. Hope you can see that on the video. It's all blinking, so it's looking for a connection, but I would say pretty solid. It feels good. It's not too big. I like the size actually. I have the gaming mouse, the Habit gaming mouse I reviewed here on my channel in one of my previous videos, a wired mouse, and you can see the difference. It's way bigger. I don't like that size. This feels way better in my hand. I mean, it's also good. It feels good in your hand, but I definitely prefer smaller ones like this one. And that's actually the Sender mouse. I also reviewed the Sender mouse and keyboard here on my channel. I will leave the links to both in the description, and you can see this is the one I'm using right now on a daily basis. This is really small, but I like how the Corsair feels. And I would say I plug it to my PC, and we'll be right back with you for a short review.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I plugged the mouse into my PC now, and I set it to the 2.4 gigahertz option. And as you can see, the LED light is flashing in different colors, and I would say I switch to the desktop now and give you a quick overview of the mouse itself. So I'm on the Corsair web page here, and as you can see, some tech specs and all that stuff. So scrolling down here a bit, you can see the slipstream technology, which allows a 1 millisecond connection speeds. So as I said before, you saw I unplugged the cable, so I use it wireless here. It's the dynamic RGB lighting, and yeah, 99 grams, so it's quite light, and that built-in battery should last up to 60 hours. And one interesting thing is that IQ compatibility as well, so you can download this here on the Corsair webpage, and then you can basically synchronize everything. If you have like a fan in your computer which is RGB as well, or the RAM in your PC and stuff like that, or the keyboard itself, then you can synchronize this with IQ from Corsair. You can download this here on the Corsair webpage. It's a 272 megabytes download. Let's have a quick look on the tech specs here as well. So maximum of 10,000 dpi, 6 programmable buttons, basically everything I already said. You can use it wireless or wired, and yeah, it feels good. It's a nice feeling in my hand. And I quickly switch over to this here right now. So that's the manual. You can see the LED, and that's this LED in the middle of the mouse. That's basically in different colors, which can show the battery status, the wireless status, and the DPI stage status. So by clicking on here, you can see it's changing the color. So red, it's 500 dpi, and like you can see, the cursor is moving really slow. If I click again, it's white, and it's 1000 dpi. You can see it's already moving a bit faster. Clicking again, 1500. It's even faster now. It turns to yellow. It's 3000 dpi, and if you click again, it's 5000, and that's pretty fast. It's too fast for me. So for me, actually, I think green or yellow, so 1500 or 3000 for the normal use is really fine. Maybe if you're like in a shooter, then you will use the 5000 dpi settings or something like that. But you can see the pairing modes, blinking white and all that stuff. That's all in the manual. But I would say that's it for the first review. So far I can't say anything bad about the mouse. It's a decent mouse. It feels nice in my hand. It's solid. You have the buttons, so you can go back here on the browser and stuff like that with the buttons on the left side. Also the mouse wheel, the click is really nice. Scrolling, everything feels pretty solid. So I can recommend this mouse. I mean, you can see on the web page, it's here in Europe, it costs 60 euros. So that's a decent price as well for a wireless gaming mouse, I would say. And if you're interested, check out the website or check out some reviews on Amazon. I cannot say anything bad about the mouse right now. And I would say I wrap this video up here. If you liked what you've seen, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this here on my channel. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.